In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create the membership. So, first of all, you have to log into your FlexiFunnels dashboard. And I'm going to show you the step-by-step format of how you can make your very first course live in FlexiFunnels. So this is the dashboard. And over here, the very first step, we are going to create the pages, sales page and checkout page of your product, of your course, which you're going to sell inside the FlexiFunnels. This is the very first step we are going to make it. So let's go to the projects part. Okay, so over here, this is the project. You have to click over here. And let's create a new project. Let's take QXE Learner Tutorials. This is the name that I'm going to give you over here. And you have to select this Launch a Course. Now, click on this Launch a Course and click on this Create button. And once you're going to click on this Create button now, the membership website or the project will create over here and here. In this, we are going to create the two pages, which is a sales page, so I'm giving the example of FFT sales. And we are going to enter a page type which is sales page. And now you have to click on the add page. Okay, so this is the first sales page that we have created. Similarly, you have to create for your product as well which you are going to sell. So this is the sales page I have created. Okay, now you can see the page is created and over here I'm going to select a sales page. So in this, you can select any of the category that you want to check and that you want to keep it for your landing page or for your product, so you can do it. Otherwise, you can also select a blank page as well. So we are going to connect our product with the sales page. So I'm just taking the random one. Let's take this one. Let's see your training course. I've selected the specific sales page. Second, I'm going to also create one more page, which is a checkout page. So I'm giving it FFP checkout and here I'm going to select the checkout. Now, click on the add page. So this is two pages I have created, sales page and checkout page. Similarly, you have to also create the checkout page, and you can also use the templates that we have created for you. If you want to build it from scratch, you can select it that way as well. So now this is the one thing that you can do it. Okay, what next that we are going to do, which is selecting the checkout page and just taking this one randomly. Okay, this is the another checkout page that I've selected now. Another process, what we are going to do, which is a creation of membership project we have already created. So you can see in this, which is a dashboard, this is a thank you page, and this is a member login page. And now, in this course area, this is a course name, My Learning. Now click on this. And if you want to change this specific thing, you can change it with the help of this code setting. So over here, let's take my course name is FFP. Tutorials FFT course. Okay, so this is the name that I'm going to give it. If you want to start it with a specific date, you can also do it if you want to do this pre-launch. So you can do this with the help of this. If you want to add the restriction where this, those who are going to buy this product, they will get the access of a minimum days or months that you want to keep it. So you can just mention it over here. Let's take I want to give this specific course access for 45 days. So I'm just going to add this over here and now I'll click on the save button. And if that thing is over, that you can also put some more restriction, more things over there. So if they buy it again, so it will be automatically upgraded. So this is the custom text that you can put it. There is a button you can also add it over there. There is a also button link that you can add it. So this is the thing that you can do it over there. Here, you can also upload the product image. So I'm going to select a one product image. Let's take randomly. Okay, I'm going to select, let's take this one. So I'm just selected this one. Okay, now I'll hit on the save button. So this is the thing that you can do it with the course setting, with the help of course setting things. Now, what's the second step? Now we are going to create them. modules, and inside the modules, we are going to add the video. So, let's understand how to create the modules. In this, click on this, create a new module, so you can understand in a way this is the chapters. And inside the chapters, we are going to add it as a content, which will be video lesson or a text lesson. So let's take I am giving it a course name course 1. Okay. Say this. Let's take I want to create another module, which is by the name of course 2. Okay. So this is the course 2. Now what I am going to do it in these modules. I'm going to add the lessons. You can see there is a by default video lesson is added. You can also add it over here with the help of this add video link. What I'm going to do is click on this add video, and we are going to take a one video from the YouTube. You can also take a multiple varieties of videos. You can add it from Vimeo, Gumlet. You can directly upload it from your system. You can also take this generic videos as well, where you can just copy and paste the code over here and that will be embedded. So now I'm going to take it from the YouTube. So I have already opened this FlexiFunnels playlist over here. Now you can keep it and take it from your YouTube and put it over there. So what we are going to do is just click on this, and what I'm going to do, you can see this URL at the top. I'm going to copy this URL. And I'm going to paste it over here. So this is the playlist URL that I have copied, and when I'm clicking on this, all the videos will be visible over here. So now you can see. You just need to click, and this is how you can easily add your videos over here. So this is a simple step. You can see this one video that is added. And if you want to import more videos, you can just paste it over here. Copy it. Search it, and you can add a number of videos. So this is how you can do it. You can see all the videos are added. You can delete this one if you want to delete it. This is a duplicated, added. And if you want to add a content lesson, you can also do this where you're just going to add some content over here. So let's take hi. This is me. Steve Footer's tutorial classes. Okay, so now I'm going to click on the save button, and when I'm done this thing. So this is your content lesson is added. So this is a simple way that you can add your videos and content lesson. You can also change this lesson name with the help of this edit. So let's take care. Bye. Tinder lesson. Okay, now click on this add button. So this is how you can add your videos. If this is how you can create the modules and the courses as well. Now we have a couple more options where you can add it. You can also add a different content. You can also upgrade this. So let's take and let's understand. Grip-free defeat is basically if you want to give this specific lesson after somebody. So let's take if I just log these sessions. And I want this if the somebody is buying. On day 1, this video will be available. On day 2, this will be unlocked. On day 3. This will be unlocked so the person cannot access these two on day 1. So once the day 2 will come, then this video will be accessible, then day 3, then this video will be accessible. So this is how you can also add the drift feed in your video lessons as well. Okay, after that, this is how you can create the course. Now, we have also go through a couple of more things over here. Let's understand the membership pricing settings and this pricing setting. So what we are going to do, we are going to give the access of bundle to the customers. Okay, so we understood how we can create the course. Let's understand how we create the bundle so that we can give the access to the bundle to all the audience. So over here, the bundle content will be let's add a new bundle. I can give it a name of this one. Let's take FFT Bundle 1. FFT Bundle 1. Okay. And you can also do it. So, now over here, you are going to select these videos. Let's take I have selected these two videos in the bundle 1. And in the bundle 2, I am also going to connect this. Let's take FFT. Pink bundle 2, so this is the another bundle. So, if you want to give the first two videos access, you can give it. If you want to give it, let's take all the videos, you can also do this as well. So, let's take this one. Or let's take, I remove this, I want to give the access of these two things. So, now, if a person bought this specific course, so they can access only these videos, they cannot access these 3 videos. And similarly, bundle 2 can access only these videos, rest they cannot. So this is how we are going to create the bundles now. Another important setting, which is the sender information. As of now, you should have your own email ID and, on your professional email ID. So I'm just going to use it as of now. FlexiFunnels, if you don't have, you can use it. Flexi. Let's take no reply. And if you have your own professional email, so that you can also use it over here as well. Let's take Flexi for Nurse Sandhand at the Reflexi for us. This is my official Gmail ID, I can use it, so this is how you can also use it for yourself as well. Now click on the Save button. So this is the simple step that you are going to follow it. And now you have created your pages, you have created the membership as well. Now the most important thing, we are going to create the last step, which is product now. Over here you can see this product now, you just need to click on this and it will take you to this dashboard over here. We are going to create a membership product, so first of all, you have to click on this create a new product, create a new product. Then you are going to select this membership product, click on this membership product and click on the continue button. Now, let's give it a name of your product. What was the name? FFE course. Click it now. The first step is this second payment option. You should have your payment gateway integrated over here, so if you don't know how to integrate, you just need to click on this option. And it will take you to this specific dashboard where you can just add your payment gateways over here. We have these 5 payment gateways, you can integrate it according to your convenience. Okay. Now, let's again back to it. I'm going to select this SP Flexi. This cash-free one. And now the third step is membership, which is you can give the pricing over here as well. So let's take right now, I'm giving a pricing. You can give it 10, 15,000, 2,000, whatever the product pricing that you have kept. You can put it over here just to make you the clarity. I'm just keeping it as a 0 so that I can show it to you. You can also use this as a free product as well, while keeping the pricing 0. Okay, now click on the next button. This is a one-time fee, and after that I have saved this specific thing. Now, fourth step, that's why we have created the sales page and checkout page. We are going to select the sales page. Now, which project we have created in this FlexiFunnels tutorials. Click on this. Now, which page is this? Sales page, FFT sale. Now click on next. Now we are going to select the checkout page. Click on this. Click on the FlexiFunnels tutorials. Again, the project that we have created, and this is the checkout page that we have created. Now again, click on the next button. So this is how we have integrated all these 4 parts. Now over here, I am going to add a support URL so that if your customer is facing any issue, they can reach out to you. So what will be your support URL or your support email that you have to mention it over here? So let's take I'm mentioning help@withrefunders.com. Okay, this is the support URL that I'm mentioning over here. You can also send it as a digital asset. How you can create a digital asset that you will get to know in this settings option, where you will see how you can create the digital assets over here. So, this will be the digital asset. Over here, you can create the digital asset as an ebook so that you can deliver it to your buyer, to your purchaser. So, this is how you can select it over here itself as well. Now, another step is which is select the mission project. which project that we have created, which is FlexiPanels, Tutorials, Code. This is the project we have created. Now, we can see the two bundles. So, let's take I just want to give the button 1 access to that specific user. So, this is the bundle 1 that I have selected. Now, click on the next button. And once you are going to click on the next button, your product will be saved. Now, here are a couple more things that you can explore it from your own. This is the bump product if you want to add your bump product as well. So, let's take if you are selling your phone, and if you want to give it a tempered glass as well. Okay, so you can add it as a tempered glass and phone that you are giving it. So, phone is a main product. Tempered glass will be your bump product. So, this is how you can create the bump products as well. As of now, I'm not going to create it. Let's go to the next step. Now, scroll over here and you can just select this next product. In the set rules, you can also connect your email autoresponders as well, where you can pass the data from FlexiFunnels to your email autoresponders so that you can run email campaign on those audience as well. So this is how you can set up the set rules or set rules of webhook that you can also connect it in this set products room. Now another is a car depending thing, which is you can also set up the car depending sequence. Where? So, let's take, if anything happened while purchasing, let's take, my net gets shut off and my phone or laptop is not working. At that point of time, I'm not able to make the payment, so let's take up to 30 minutes, 40 minutes, or let's take 3 hours. My phone and my laptop is working fine, I'm working fine. So in that case, you can send a reminder to those audience via email. Hey, you are trying to purchasing this product and you failed, so now you can again make the payment. This is the link. So this is how you can increase your conversion of your landing pages of a startup. So this is a cart amendment sequence that you can follow. So you can also click on this and set up as a timing, whatever the timing that you want to keep it. If you don't want to keep it, you can just click on this checkbox and click on the next button. Now, you can also connect your CAPI conversion. It's for that tracking purpose where you can get to know what is the conversion that is happening on your landing page. So let's click on the save and here you will find all these statistics. So this is how I have created my membership product. So 3 things we have created: sales page, checkout page. There's a first thing, second is course membership, and third thing is a product. So these 3 things are required in order to sell a course. Now, last and the final step, interlinking all these things. What we are going to do, we'll go to the projects and you know that we have created sales page and checkout page, so just I'm going to edit this specific. Right-click on it. Open this in a new tab. I'm opening the checkout page because you have to publish both the pages. These are mandatory steps. Okay, now, this is the page, this is the sales page, which you are going to create it for yourself. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect my product with this specific button. So now click on this button. Go to the settings of this one and here is the advanced settings. So now what we are going to do, click on the next step in product. So next step in product will be what will be the product. FFT course, this was my product, FFT course. Now what I am going to do, I will publish this. Similarly, you have to connect all the products. Similarly, that you have to connect all the button with that specific product. Now this is publishing. Meanwhile, we will go to the checkout page and we are going to publish this page as well. So now you just need to click on this publish button. That's what you need to do. If you want to change any content over here, of course, please do it. And after that, you have to follow this mandatory step clicking on the publish. Now you can see this is published while I am opening this published URL. Now what I am going to do this, I am going to test. My membership is working fine or not. So this is how I'm going to show it to you, whether it's properly working or not. Okay, so this is the published URL. Now I'll click on this Get Started. And when I click on the Get Started, it will take me to the checkout page. And now you can see the name of this product that we have created. It is visible over here, the same one. So now I'm mentioning my look details over here. Let's make the payment and let's see how is your membership looking. I'm just entering a dummy. I'm just going to show it to you. Take care. After that, you have to mention it your email address as well so that you can test it whether it is working fine or not. Now I will click on the complete order. So once you are clicking on the complete order, it will. You have to make the payment and after that it will take you to the thank you page. Now, this is my credentials. So let's open this and let's see how it is looking. So first of all, this thing over here, you can also do some quick editing. You can also put your logo. You can also change the background theme as well, from where that you are going to change it. Let's go close this, and over here, close this. This one in this F50 course, you will see this membership settings where you can change the brand settings. So here you can upload your own logo. Here, you can change the background image. Here you can see the internal dashboard as well. So let's go over here and let's see how it is looking. So I am just mentioning this email ID. Let's mention the password. And click on the login button. So this is how we have created and you can see this logo, this course image that we have added. It is visible now. Now let's click on this. You can see these videos are visible because I have selected these videos, but these videos are not visible because we have not selected in the bundle. So now, if you're just going to watch this video over here, hi there. So in this video we are going to create a product that we can. So this is how you can just use and create your membership like this or your first ever course in the FlexiFinance. So apart from this, there is one more important step, which I'm going to show it to you, which is, let's open my email ID. So in this email ID, if you're going to see, I'm also receiving a one more email which is congratulations. Welcome to a 50 bundled. So in this one I'm going to open this, you can see here, I'm also receiving my credential it and you can see there is a person who is buying your product. They will also receive this support URL as well. So this is how you can create your membership in your first ever course inside the FlexiFunnel. So let's make it and share your success story, share your course, first ever course that you are going to make it inside the FlexiFunnels and the doers community as well. So this is about it. Thank you so much.